Artificial intelligence has changed how we work, communicate, and interact with the environment in recent years. It is now a fundamental aspect of our everyday life, surpassing the status of a mere technological innovation. Artificial intelligence has brought a new era of ease, efficiency, and innovation, from streamlining routine tasks to enabling innovative advancements. Here are 10 ways AI is enhancing human existence in our daily routines. 1. Personalized recommendations. AI-powered recommendation systems examine massive volumes of data to provide personalized recommendations based on user preferences. Artificial intelligence algorithms improve user experience by predicting requirements and preferences. Examples of this include streaming services like Netflix or Spotify that propose movies or music based on viewing history, or e-commerce platforms like Amazon that recommend products based on past purchases. 2. Healthcare advancements. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by enhancing patient care, diagnosis, and therapy. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical imaging scans to diagnose diseases like cancer more accurately and quickly than human doctors. AI-enabled wearables can also track vital indicators in real time, allowing for the early detection of health problems and preventative measures. IBM's Watson Health platform utilizes AI to help medical practitioners to diagnose diseases and create treatment strategies. Wearable technology such as the Apple Watch uses AI to track and analyze health parameters and give people meaningful insights into their well-being. 3. Smart assistants. Virtual assistants like Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri are now essential tools in our daily lives. These AI-powered assistants can handle a wide range of duties, such as answering queries, scheduling, and controlling smart home appliances. They also simplify daily tasks and boost productivity. With voice commands, Amazon's Alexa can perform various tasks, like playing music, setting reminders, and managing smart home appliances. Similar features are offered by Google Assistant, which combines with Google services to deliver personalized assistance. 4. Autonomous vehicles. AI is driving autonomous car technology, which promises safer, more effective transportation. Self-driving cars reduce accidents caused by human error and transform transportation by using AI algorithms to sense their surroundings, avoid obstacles, and make judgments in real time. Tesla's autopilot system utilizes AI algorithms to enable lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automatic lane changes. Alphabet Incorporated's Waymo is creating fully autonomous cars that use artificial intelligence to safely navigate urban areas. 5. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP technologies make it possible for computers to comprehend and produce human language, enabling smooth human-machine communication. NLP is used by translation services such as Google Translate to overcome language barriers, while chatbots and virtual assistants to communicate and assist users. NLP techniques are used by Google Translate to accurately translate text between languages. NLP is frequently utilized by chatbots, such as those found on customer support systems, to understand user requests and provide natural language responses. 6. Predictive analytics. AI-powered predictive analytics uses data to predict future trends and behaviors, enabling both individuals and organizations to make well-informed decisions. Predictive analytics boost productivity and shoot innovation in a variety of sectors, from forecasting consumer preferences and market trends to streamlining supply chains and preventing equipment failures. Businesses are making data-driven decisions by using Salesforce's Einstein Analytics, which leverages AI to analyze customer data and forecast future sales trends. Google Analytics uses predictive modeling to forecast user behavior and website traffic, giving website owners the ability to better target their digital marketing efforts. 7. Financial management. AI algorithms are revolutionizing financial services by automating tasks like investment management, fraud detection, and risk assessment. Robo-advisors optimize investment strategies and democratize access to wealth management services by using artificial intelligence to evaluate financial data and offer personalized investment advice. Wealthfront and Betterment are such examples of robo-advisors that employ AI algorithms to automate investment management activities and give users personalized financial advice. Furthermore, apps like Mint use AI-driven budgeting tools to assist users in keeping track of their expenditure and manage their finances effectively. 8. Personalized learning. AI-powered educational systems use adaptive learning algorithms to personalize learning experiences according to each student's learning preferences and skill level. To increase engagement and promote skill development, these systems offer interactive information, adaptive quizzes, and personalized recommendations. Duolingo use adaptive learning algorithms to customize language learning activities to each learner's learning preferences and degree of proficiency. Khan Academy uses artificial intelligence to deliver specialized educational content in the form of activities and personalized learning paths for a wide range of subjects. 9. Smart home technology. AI-powered smart home appliances automate household tasks, improve comfort, convenience, and energy efficiency. Smart appliances maximize energy efficiency and simplify daily tasks, revolutionizing the way we use our living spaces. Smart thermostats modify temperature settings based on occupancy patterns. To maximize energy efficiency and comfort levels, the Nest Learning thermostat learns user preferences and modifies temperature settings accordingly. Philips Hue smart light bulbs can be controlled remotely via smartphone apps or voice commands, providing customizable lighting solutions for smart homes. 10. Content creation. With the help of AI, content creation is being revolutionized by tasks like video editing, design, and writing. AI-driven design platforms help to create aesthetically appealing images and layouts, while natural language production technologies can produce articles, reports, and marketing content. AI-powered video editing software streamlines the editing process and makes it easier for users to create videos of professional quality with less effort. GPT-3, developed by OpenAI, is an example of a natural language generation model that can produce text that resembles human language in a variety of contexts, such as articles, poetry, and code. Even for customers with limited design skills, Canva uses AI-powered design tools to help them create visually attractive images and marketing materials. Adobe Premiere Pro automates video editing tasks and expedites the editing process with AI-driven tools like Auto Reframe. In summary, artificial intelligence has greatly improved human existence and has grown to be an essential component of daily life. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Examples of this include personalized recommendations, healthcare advancements, autonomous vehicles, and smart home technology. AI's revolutionary influence will only increase as it develops and becomes more integrated into everyday life, bringing in a future characterized by creativity, effectiveness, and opportunity.